Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today's video is another AAC creative video, and today we're going to do bubble painting. I got this idea and inspiration from Living Well Mom on Pinterest, and I'll tag that in the bottom in the description so you guys can go to that blog site and see the recipe that we use to make the bubbles and everything. So I'm just going to go over and kind of narrate through. I am using Lamp Words for Life, the app on an iPad, to provide aided language input during this activity. And so before getting ready, we mixed. So I'm going to go to turn and mixed. We mixed up our bubble solution. And so for that, we had to mix together some water, and then we used some dish soap. And you have to get clear dish soap, I found out, so we had to go to the store for that. And then we put in some corn syrup as well, as the recipe calls for, and we stirred all of that together. And then comes the fun part. And you get to add in the colors. And you want liquid food coloring for this. So we just have our primary colors. So we have green. We have blue. We have red. And we have yellow. To do our painting with. And so you can use paper straws, but I also have these big thick straws from previous like water bottles and everything, and so I thought that would be easier for my son to blow through. And then my daughter chose that she wanted to have a bigger straw as well. You okay, bud? Alright, and then the type of paper that we're using, I did put newspaper down under. Where's my umbrella for under? There we go. For underneath, just to help soak up any of the mess. And we are using a thicker piece of paper, so we do have some white cardstock paper. So I already did one and kind of experimented before we did the video. I just did a few. So you can see though, when the bubbles kind of like pop on the paper, you get to have the different colors and everything. So it's just a different fun way to paint. All right, and then, oh, my tip, I have shared this in my Instagram stories before, but my son, the paper will often move around when you're painting or coloring. So I like to put masking tape underneath of it, and then it's stuck there in place, and he doesn't have to worry about haggling with that as well. All right, so whenever you're doing the activity, you can definitely talk about like following directions. You could definitely do the activity with them and narrate through that. For this video, we are not doing that. Other videos, I have done that. Today, we're just purely going to have fun painting. Aren't we, Sophie? All right, so Luke, are you ready? Would you like to come paint with us?
No.
No, not today? All right. That's okay.
No.
If you do not want to right now, you can always come and do it later, okay?
I do the animal.
You want to read a book? We'll read a book here in a little bit. I'm going to work with Sophie, okay? All right, so Sophie is just, oh, look at her. She is dipping it into the bubble. Make sure you just have to get the bottom wet. Yeah, you can come join too. Yeah. After you saw what was going on, you want to come do it?
Pink.
You want pink? Well, that is actually red. But you're right. It does look a little bit like pink, doesn't it? Well, can we ask Sophie?
You can.
Say, You could say, Can I have it?
Yep. It's okay if you can have it.
Would you like to ask her, Luke?
Please.
Oh, I heard you. You said please. You said, can I please have the red?
They won't really pop.
Well, they are popping. Yep. And then you see your color. All right. Sophie, would you like a Oops, wrong
yeah,
word.
I'll have green.
Different color. Can Sophie have the green, please?
Please.
Can she have the green?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, that I like how you guys are sharing. So, okay, what
What?
we are going to do is we are going to...
have the blue.
Yeah, you can have the blue too. We're going to put the straw in, and then you blow on the top.
Hey, look at my bubbles.
Okay.
Top.
Woo! Look
Look.
at all those bubbles, and she's going to pop them. So you can do some of your normal bubble play with popping the bubbles to work on that bilabial as well. And any words that you typically do with bubbles, but you can also add in some of the art stuff with painting. Oh. I like how you are blowing so many bubbles. Look how many you have. You are going...
4, 5, 6.
You want to count them? You saw 6 bubbles.
You want to see my creation?
This is pretty cool, isn't it? Oh, Sophie's doing something different. She's using her straw to paint even more. You have 2 different colors on yours now. You have red and blue on your paper.
She's just so fun swooshing around.
Pop, yep. Pop them out.
Out.
Very cool. What do you guys think? Is this a good activity?
Yep. Good.
What about you, Luke? Did you like today's activity? Oh, you popped it. Let's get some more
I made a big bubble.
over here on the left
I made a super big bubble.
left side of your screen or your paper. Look at that. She did. She made a big bubble.
Hey, we're just...
And lots of little ones. They are
Hey, I like my bubble straw.
they are all over the paper. Yeah. She has bubbles on her straw.
Ooh, it's just so.
Oh, did we get some on our newspaper down at the bottom?
Bottom.
That's okay.
Man, this is fun.
All right. Would you guys like to change? I forgot where my word change was, so I'm going to go to the word finder and spell it out. CHANGE. We're going to change, and then I'm going to hit that pathway, and it's going to take me directly there.
Change.
Would you like to change the colors that you have, Luke?
Have.
Would you like some different colors?
Different.
No? Okay. Sophia, would
Yeah,
you
I
like
like
to
that
change your
blue.
colors? Okay, Sophia would like the blue.
Blue.
Can she have the blue?
Yeah.
Yeah. Would you like to get
Get.
a new color?
New.
Would you like a new color?
The yellow.
You want yellow, please?
Please.
All right. There you go. Now you have yellow.
Have.
You have a different and new color to add
Add.
to your art.
Hey, I made a little caterpillar, it looks like.
It does. Has different shapes. If you blow on just the bubbles, I wonder,
I want to make a dino.
can you move them on the paper? Just blow on it and see if you can move them across the paper at all. Whoa! Wow, look at that! Look at how big it got! It's gigantic! So cool. You want to try?
What?
You want to try and make a dinosaur shape with your bubbles? All right, you can try. Maybe this could be the body. And maybe over here on the left side of the screen.
Left.
I keep saying screen, but paper. You can make the head.
I just made a bubble float and then
Ooh.
I made the eye.
You did. That's so cool.
Cool. I'm gonna try making turquoise.
I think this activity has been pretty awesome.
Can we use the white soap?
It really won't do anything because it's just clear, right? So if you want to see it actually show up on your paper, you'll want to have a little bit of color. But if you want to try it, you can try it.
Yay!
And see what happens.
Yeah, I actually like doing it. Can you pass me it?
You like
Please?
it? Yeah. Thank you for using your manners.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Smells good.
All right, well, that's it for today's video. It was a little bit longer. You want to have white too? Okay, well, Sophie just got it, so can we wait?
No, we can put it right here.
In the middle? All right, we're going to wait our turn. Let Mommy finish ending this video real quick, okay? All right, so that was a little bit longer, but you saw lots of different communication functions that we provided a language input for. Again, this is Land Words for Life that we were doing it on, and it was a bubble painting activity. And again, I'll link the Pinterest blog so that you can get the recipe and everything for it as well. But have fun doing bubble painting.
Kate, no, can we go slow?
You want to go slow with blowing your bubbles? All right. Thanks for watching. Please comment, subscribe, and like below. We will make a dino. Bye.